have another lady. She's in around 60 years old, and she's had a lot of trauma in her life from when she was born, and possibly from inside the womb as well. She came with a massive, very, very depressed. She's been on antidepressants for many, many years. And so with that, she's bursitis in the shoulder, sciatica, lower back pain, very, very chronic fatigue, and digestive issues with everything else that had gone on in her body as well, with all of the trauma. And bulging disc in L4 and L5. So she had a lot happening for her. Um, She's had 19 sessions so far, and her transformation has been absolutely amazing. So, after 11 sessions, she came to me and said that she was actually slowly taking herself off the antidepressants, and she thought within a week she'd be completely off them. So yeah, massive. That's just massive. And then she came to me the week later and said she had finished her antidepressants. She wasn't on them anymore. So that was at 12 sessions. She's now had 19, and she's had no depression at all since then. So, which is really, really big for her because she spent her whole life in it. So it's massive. It's massive celebration for her. She's done so well. Yeah, she still have little bouts of sadness and things like that, but she doesn't spiral or anything like that anymore. So it's been a massive journey, and just coaching her through all of that so she's not alone in her healing journey as well, because I think that that's very important. Quite often people can feel quite isolated when they're healing because people don't understand what they're going through. So I feel really, really honored to have helped this lady. And through the sessions as we've gone on, the bursitis in the shoulder is completely changed. It just comes and goes now. Sciatica gone. She has absolutely no lower back pain at all. She sleeps a lot better, and the fatigue is an enormous improvement. And she's actually so happy in herself now. It's just amazing to see from when she very first came in. We're speaking about self-love and all of that sort of thing. And she looked at me and cried, and she said, I don't even know what that is. Like, how do you even do that? And then sort of over the time of coaching and speaking about different things that was happening in her life, she's a massive journey for her, and she's now actually feeling love for herself and choosing better as well. She's made massive life changes in this short time, that where she's gone, wow, that's a new me. That's not something she would normally be full of guilt and shame and all of that sort of thing, and self-sabotage. And she's been able to go, wow, I'm actually happy with that decision. And, that sort of thing as well. It's been massive, massive healing for her. It's absolutely amazing.
That's so amazing. And it's, it's like, I know that some people are like, oh, there's 19 sessions. And I'm like, but that's years of being on antidepressants and not being okay. And some people we work with have, they do really well with a few sessions. Other people have, 20, 30, 40 years of stress and trauma in their body. And I just want to bring light to what happens for long-lasting changing, to take away medications or to heal the body. We want to do it in an authentic way so it doesn't come back. And that means actually removing the layers of stress from the body, creating more movement in the vertebrae, so the messages from the brain come down to the nervous system without interference. And, when no one ever thinks about when you put braces on your teeth, that it takes time. You don't just put them on and take them off. Like my kids had them. It was 2-3 years, and then it's a retainer, and then it's maintaining it. And that's your teeth. Like, we're talking about spinal health that affects your brain, your mind, your emotions, and it's where we hold stress from our lives. So for you as well, just to know at home that we don't know how long it's going to take. We just know that some people have a lot of stress in the body. Some people have less. Some people respond quickly. Some people don't. We don't know that. But what we do know is that when the body has less stress and more flow and more ease, healing happens. And in whichever way it's needed for you, really. So I'm just blown away because, you know, you're talking about, you know, this lady that's how she was feeling. Like she was relying on a medication for happiness or to get through life. And what if people didn't have to just get through life and they could just have purpose and happiness and feel good, which is how you've worked with her. I love that.
Yeah, absolutely. Honestly, the change has just been amazing, and I'm so honored that she chose me to come and work with her. It's just absolutely beautiful.
And
It's
the other
really
thing I wanted to share was because you said as well that, you know, being on the journey with her is important. And it is, because healing, I would love it if, you know, people came in, they were here and they went like that and they just went, all right, I'm better, better, better. But we know it's not like that. You know, healing is like, oh, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. And even though we're moving towards the goal, when it's up, we're like, oh, I love this practitioner. When it's down, it's like, everything is worse. And you really do need to be supported by someone that has been on this journey or can facilitate healing to go, it's okay. You know, I've tracked your body. I felt it. I'm doing assessments. I know that your body's no longer how it was. We are definitely moving towards the goal. Like, stay in there. So many people start their healing journey and feel a little bit better, or they just feel worse and worse and worse. But then they're like, this isn't going to work. I'm like, oh, you gotta get through it, because if there's layers and layers and layers, we can't even get into, you know, where that healing energy is, where that life force is, where the body, where everything is that needs to heal. So it is an experience, it is a journey, healing.
yes.
and it is about finding someone that you can work with that can support you. I want to say this as well. You do need someone to support you that has more belief in your body's ability to heal, because they can initially, when you want to heal from something, you want help and support, because you can feel like, oh, I don't know. After a while, you're like, I've got this, and you become more empowered in your own healing journey. But initially, it's really good to have someone where you can just surrender and know that they're watching your body, they're tracking your body, and you can go, you know what, I'm just doing this healing thing, which
Yes.
clearly you do really well for your beautiful clients.
Amazing. Yes, absolutely.